क्वेश्चन नंबर 22 पार्ट 3। ठीक है। सेक की पावर 4a माइनस 10 की पावर 4a so is equal to how much? 1 plus 2 tan square a. This is the question. यही है ना? So we take LHS. LHS is what? Sec raised to the power 4a minus tan raised to the power 4a. So we can write it sec square a whole square minus tan square a whole square, right? So we get sec square a minus tan square a, and we have sec square a plus tan square a, right? This is we have. Now this goes to, this is equal to 1 by formula we have, so that's why it goes to 1 into sec square a is equal to what? We know that sec square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a. This is the formula we have, right? So in place of sec square a you will write 1 plus tan square a. 1 plus tan square a plus tan square a plus tan square a. So you get 1 plus 1 into, we multiplied any number by 1, we get the same number. So we get 1 plus 2 tan square a is equal to RHS. This is the, you get the RHS, right? This is written here, 1 plus 2 tan square. So this is the solution we have. You got this? Second part? You done? No, this third you have done?
The second part.
So should I rub this? Question number 22, second part. Sin a upon 1 plus cot a minus cos a upon 1 plus tan a. What is next? Is equal to
Sin A minus cos
sin A minus cos A. Sin A minus cos A. Right? So again we go for LHS. Left hand side. What is that? That is sin A bracket 1 plus cot A क्या है? Cot A is cos A upon sin A minus cos A upon 1 plus sin A upon cos A. Right? So again, if you write here sin A and you take in denominator sin A as an LCM, so it is sin A plus cos A minus cos A upon cos A plus sin A upon cos A. Right? It goes up. Right? This sin goes up, this cos goes up, so you will get how much? It is sin square A upon sin A plus cos A minus cos square A upon sin A plus cos A. Right? We have this. Now we have taken sin A plus cos A plus cos A. So this is cancel out. This will be sin square A minus cos square A. Right? अगर when we extend this, right? So we can write it sin A minus cos A and sin A plus cos A right? And this is we have, right? So this is cancelled out with this, and lastly you get sin A minus cos A is equal to RHS. You get this? So this was question number second of the question number 22. Now we have next question, that is first, na? You have done this?
Yes.
First.
No.
Question number 22, part 1. What is that? 1 plus tan A upon sin A plus 1 plus cot A upon cos A is equal to 2 bracket sec A plus cosec A. This is we have. Now you have LHS. You have LHS, that is 1 plus tan A upon sin A plus 1 plus cot A upon cos A. So what we do, 1 plus sin A upon cos A upon sin A plus 1 plus cos A upon sin A upon cos A, right? So when you solve it further, so it becomes cos, we will take as an LCM cos A, तो ये हो जाएगा cos A cos A plus sin A अपॉन, ये डिनोमिनेटर में आ गया, सो वी विल राइट ए cos A sin A, right? And plus similarly here, if I write it so if I write it like this, cos A plus sin A upon cos A sin A plus we take sin A plus cos A upon sin A cos A, right? This is we have. Now if we take this is cos A sin A as an LCM, cos A sin A as an LCM, so this becomes this cos A plus sin A plus sin A plus cos A. When you add these two, so you will get 2 cos A plus 2 sin A upon cos A sin A. So what happens now? You write here 2 cos A upon cos A sin A plus 2 sin A upon cos A sin A. This sin A is cancelled off, cos A is cancelled, so you get 2 into 1 upon sin A plus 2 into 1 upon cos A. So 2 we have taken as an LCM, 1 upon sin A is equal to cosec A plus sec A. Or if you want, you can write it like this: 2 bracket sec A plus cosec A. Cosec A, right, is equal to RHS. We have done this, right? So this is how we can solve this question. Actually, here you have to just rearrange the things, so you can get the answer, right? So this you have done. Okay, 22 is done. Okay, you can do now. Okay, do it. You do question number 21.